So there you go. I hope that you have enjoyed the demonstration. I hope it was easy to follow and easy to understand. I'm going to read the questions now. Can you go ahead and tell me what the question was there, dear?
Yeah, Robert said, so how about the plants in TC plastic bags?
Oh, the plants that are in TC plastic bags, put them under the hood. Before you open them, you want to spray them really, really good with a 70% alcohol. Wipe off the exterior of the bag really well and let it evaporate sitting there. That'll kill off any germs that you've got sitting on the exterior of the bag. When you remove it from the bag, put it directly into your Fizan solution. Let it sit there for 2 to 5 minutes and you'll be fine. That generally will take care of it. As long as there's no mold or funky bacteria growing in the bag, you're generally okay. Now, if there is, you want to make sure that you change out the Fizan and change out the vessel. Don't use the same container, and cross-contaminate the new plants. Sometimes you'll come across, maybe you order some, and maybe you order 5 different types, and 3 of them are great and 2 of them are not. Well, do those 2 last, okay? Do those 2 last. Do all your clean stuff first, and then go to your dirty stuff at the end. Make sure that you're cleaning inside your hood, cleaning your work surface. If you're just using a Sterilite tub turned on its side, like a lot of people do, make sure that you're cleaning that surface really, really well in between those batches and thoroughly afterwards to prevent any kind of spore landing on something, an endospore that's smaller than you could ever see, landing on something and then contaminating your future work.